Welcome to the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast.
Hello everyone, this is Jarvis S. Scott, What's Happening Birmingham. Today I'm here at the Lakeshore Premier Cinemas here off of Lakeshore Parkway with Shaun Wilson. He's the general manager. We're here today to talk a little about this new facility, but also do a tour of it. So Shaun, thanks for coming on the podcast.
Thank you.
So tell us about this great venue.
Okay. Well, we opened up actually in October of last year. It's a brand new facility. We've got 11 screens. They're all reclining seats. So you're going to get a pretty good movie experience in each auditorium. We've got 2 theaters that have D-box seats, which are motion-controlled seats. They move towards the motion of the movie. We've also got our pizza pub and full-service bar. We sell wine, beer, both draft and bottle, as well as alcohol. So we've got pretty much the full luxury type experience when you come here.
All right, so you also have a pizza pub. Can you talk a little more about that?
We've got several different types of pizza. We've got wings. We've got sandwiches, tater tots on the menu. So we've got a little bit for everyone to try out. So.
Well, one thing I like about this place, you have online, you can do like reserved movie seating.
Yes.
And that's really neat. Other than the other theaters, you don't know where you're going to sit at once you get there.
Yeah, all the seats are reserved. You can either reserve them on our website, which is pccmovies.com. You can also go on fandango.com and reserve them online if you want to do that early. Also, if you want to just come to the theater, you can still purchase tickets still at the theater, just like the old way. And you can come, and we've got a bank of kiosks in the front when you come in the theater where you can purchase and reserve the tickets as well.
All right, so finally, I guess, get to the tickets. So you all have a lot of specials I noticed on your website.
Yeah, we've got different specials. We've actually got daily matinee specials. We've also got an early bird set of specials as well, too, which is all shows before 12 noon. And it's $6.97 per person, I believe, for all shows before noon. So we've got times for, and even regular matinee specials for everyone to come out and enjoy themselves at the movies.
All right, well, Shaun, thanks for coming on the podcast. We're going to do a bonus segment where we're going to go around to the facility and tour it so you can check it out for yourself. So thank you all for watching this podcast today. And please check out what'shappenedbirmingham.com for more videos. Thank you all again and have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching the What's Happening Birmingham video podcast. Please check out our website, app, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest videos today.